Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, once a year in the month of December, I make this video, and the title is Changes in IELTS in 2024. See, every year there are certain changes in IELTS. So the changes in 2024, what are they? The first thing is, from 1st January onwards, they are going to start single module retake on IELTS, single module retake on computer delivered IELTS. Okay, this option is not available on in paper delivered IELTS. This option is not available for UKVI IELTS. Okay, it's only standard computer delivered IELTS where you can go for single module retake once only, right? Then IELTS has been the same. I've been teaching IELTS for around 10 years, and I think the total lifespan of IELTS is around 25 years plus. This test was designed back in 1990 somewhere, so 25 years life. So far, I have not seen significant changes in IELTS. I mean, if you open Cambridge IELTS book number 1 and book number 18, you will not see significant changes. Rather, IELTS has been simplified. In IELTS listening part 1, there used to be no more than 3 words and or a number. But now it's 1 word and or a number. So there is 1 word you need to pick from the audio. When there were 3 words, it was difficult to decide which 3 words. Sometimes they were phrases, more like sentences to write your answers. But now they've got only 1 word and or a number. So this is modern, okay? So if you follow Cambridge IELTS books 15, 16, 17, 18, this is what IELTS is today. Then, like every year, they actually publish 1 Cambridge IELTS book. So towards the mid of the year, they are going to publish Cambridge IELTS book number 19. 4 more past papers will be released from the Cambridge database, their bank of IELTS tests, and that will be public, and students will practice from there. General training book will come towards the end of the year, right? And yes, one thing more. In speaking in January, they're going to add some new cue cards because they add some new cue cards in the month of January, April, and September. So there will be some new cue cards, and I'm also sure they're going to add some new speaking part 1 topics in 2023. So be ready for that. But remember, the new cue cards and speaking part 1 topics, they are going to be on general topics and familiar questions. Okay, don't forget that. They will not ask you any general knowledge questions. They will not add any difficult topics, general topics, and they will be familiar questions on general topics. So speaking is not going to be a problem. It's going to be the way it is. Marking criteria will be same. In 2024, IELTS people, they are actually going to promote their computer delivered IELTS more and more. And computer delivered, at the moment, paper delivered candidates are more than computer delivered. So in 2024, I think half candidates will take computer delivered and half of them will take paper delivered, because they are offering more facilities to computer delivered IELTS, like single module retake. You don't have to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. For writing, you have to type. You can edit your answer anytime and all that. So considering all these things, more and more candidates will be inclined towards computer delivered IELTS. And I think that's going to be something positive. But they're not going to finish paper delivered IELTS in 2024. If you think they will altogether finish paper delivered IELTS, not possible. Computer and paper delivered IELTS will go on simultaneously, right? Apart from these few changes, listening will remain the same. Reading will remain the same. Writing, yes, they will add some new topics for essay writing, right? And there will be some new topics for writing task 1 as well. And let me tell you, in 2024, many students will get, like millions of students will get their desired band, and they will fly to their destination country, and IELTS will not be difficult for the students. I tell you why. because overall level of English of people globally, that is getting better and better because of the social media, right? And second, now IELTS has been exposed to the students through my videos and other videos. Now students are familiar with IELTS. They know what IELTS is. They know the tips, techniques to deal with that. So in 2024, and you are included, okay? You are all included. In 2024, you guys will get your desired band and you will fly to your destination country and you will enjoy. You will start a new chapter of your life in 2024 in your destination country. That's all. Thank you so very much. Don't worry. Practice IELTS from Cambridge IELTS books. Get your desired band and fly to your destination country. I also teach IELTS online all over the world, in campus in Lahore, and I provide IELTS preparation study plans 10 days before exam. If you are interested in any of these services, we offer PTE classes and we offer IELTS test booking service in Pakistan. If you are interested in any of these services, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.